All right, so this is door access, cutting into a door. As you can see, this doesn't quite fit. So we actually have to cut open this side here. So I already pre-made my mark. But you really want to try to measure how much you're off from here. And that's how much you have to cut over on this side. All right. So my tool of choice is a grinder. Some people might like doing it with the oscillating tool, but just make sure if you do it with this, you have a metal bit that you can cut open the door. I like to be safe because it does kick out the small particles. All right, so first we want to take the cable so it won't get cut and try to move this back here. Tape not cooperate. There we go.
It seems like it should just go work from home.
All right, that way you don't cut the cable. All that hard work and you'll lose it. My cut. And don't worry, it doesn't have to be perfect because at the end they give you this little piece you can hide your unsavory cuts with that piece there. Just make sure it's straight. Alright, and that's how you cut out a door.